there were various desks. There's the Latin America desk, the European desk, the Middle East desk, the African desk, the Far Eastern desk, and so on. And there was this young lady reading the desks, and then the officers from that region would get up and go. Now, the Middle East desk came, and the Middle East desk, so the Arabs got up and they went. I was a captain, my colleague was a major. I waited for where he would go. He didn't go to the Middle East desk. Then the African desk was announced. He didn't go too. And then the young lady ran out of desks, and we were left two in the hall. And the young lady looks at us. Obviously we were black, and he said, "But sir, the African desk had been called already." And the major fumbles with his books, and he said, "Oh, I'm sorry." And he got up, and we went to the African desk.